Learn easy English, one scene at a time. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 6. Life in a High Tower. The witch took the girl to a tall tower. The witch took the girl to a tall tower. The tower stood deep in the forest. The tower stood deep in the forest. It was a tall and narrow tower. It was a tall and narrow tower. It was an old tower made of stone. It was an old tower made of stone. There was one window at the top. There was one window at the top. There was no door below. There was no door below. There were no stairs to be seen. There were no stairs to be seen. No one could come inside. No one could come inside. No one could go outside. No one could go outside. Only the witch could come there. Only the witch could come there. The girl was called Rapunzel. The girl was called Rapunzel. Rapunzel was still young. Rapunzel was still young. She grew up knowing nothing. She grew up knowing nothing. She knew nothing of the town. She knew nothing of the town. She knew nothing of other people. She knew nothing of other people. She knew nothing of wide roads. She knew nothing of wide roads. But her heart was bright. But her heart was bright. She was a child who laughed often. She was a child who laughed often. She also loved to sing. She also loved to sing. Her singing echoed through the tower. Her singing echoed through the tower. In the morning, she would wake. In the morning, she would wake. She looked at the sky from the window. She looked at the sky from the window. A blue sky spread wide. A blue sky spread wide. Birds flew nearby. Birds flew nearby. Rapunzel waved her hand. Rapunzel waved her hand. The birds answered with a song. The birds answered with a song. At noon, she swept the room. At noon, she swept the room. She also placed small flowers. She also placed small flowers. In the evening, she read a book. In the evening, she read a book. At night, she watched the stars. At night, she watched the stars. She wondered about the outside world. She wondered about the outside world. What is beyond there? What is beyond there? No one gave an answer. No one gave an answer. The witch came from time to time. The witch came from time to time. She brought food. She brought food. She also brought water every day. She also brought water every day. She called out below the tower. She called out below the tower. Rapunzel, let down your hair. Rapunzel, let down your hair. Rapunzel obeyed. Rapunzel obeyed. She let her long hair hang from the window. She let her long hair hang from the window. Her hair shone like gold. Her hair shone like gold. Her hair reached the ground. Her hair reached the ground. The witch grabbed it. The witch grabbed it. Then she climbed up. Then she climbed up. She entered the room and looked around. She entered the room and looked around. Were you a good girl today? Were you a good girl today? Rapunzel nodded. Rapunzel nodded. But her heart felt lonely. But her heart felt lonely. A new meeting was drawing near. A new meeting was drawing near. The time of fate was drawing near. The time of fate was drawing near. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.